Welcome to another gorgeous day here at Mills Motors, located at 240 Bond Street East in Oshawa. Today we have the 2016 Terrain SLE 2 all-wheel drive, shown here in ebony twilight metallic. Under the hood, it has the 2.4-liter Dock direct injected inline 4-cylinder engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look at the inside of the vehicle now, the upholstery here is all cloth, and down here you do have your 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, including lumbar support. On the inside of the driver's side door, you do have a lot of storage here, as well as those Pioneer premium speakers, which does allow for the best sounding quality when listening to your music. Here you have your window lock, powered windows, and powered mirrors. Lights and indicators, wipers, cruise control, as well as hands-free and audio controls right there. As this touchscreen is coming to life, I will show you guys here on the rearview mirror that you do have an OnStar. So you can press that button at any time. An OnStar will help you out in any situation that you are in. And they can also pinpoint a destination for you that shows up here on the screen. Now, it does have AM, FM, and XM radios, and you can connect your phone to the vehicle, which does mean that you can answer calls hands-free. And down here, you do have all your different controls to navigate your way through the touchscreen, as well as, again, you can answer calls from here as well. Down here you have all your aircon controls, including front and rear defrost, and your heated driver and passenger seats. Down here you have some storage, and down below you do have some more storage with an auxiliary power outlet down there. You do have an eco button right there that does help you with your fuel efficiency, as well as you do have 2 cup holders in the center console with your traction control. This center armrest right here does fold up by pulling on the lever right there. And when it does pull up, it does reveal a USB port, auxiliary in. Let me move this tray out of the way. And you do have an auxiliary power outlet right down there. Closing that now. Moving over to the passenger side, you can open up the glove box right here, and you will see that there's lots of room in there. As well as on the passenger driver's door, you do have your powered windows and your lock and unlock, and again, those Pioneer premium speakers. Taking a look now at those beautiful 17-inch aluminum wheels, just looking so shiny in the summer sun. Now as you make your way over to the rear of the vehicle, you can open up the trunk right here, just pulling on the lever back there and propping it open. Now once it does fully open, you will notice that there's lots of room back here, as well as you do have a cubby hole here on the right and another one on the left there, as well as an auxiliary power outlet right there, and you do have hooks lined along both sides, so you can put a cargo net here, making sure that whatever you have stowed away back here is nice and safe and secure. Now if that is not enough room for you, all you have to do is pull up on this lever and push down the seat, and the seat does fold, giving you even more room, which does mean that you can stow away pretty much anything you'd want back here. Now to close it, all you have to do is pull on this handle here and pull down. And now it does also have a backup camera that is right there that does show up on your digital screen up at the front seat. Taking a look now at the rear passenger side door, you can see that there's some storage here, as well as your powered windows control. Getting into the vehicle now, as you can see, there's lots of room back here. I am able to sit here very comfortably, as well as you do have some storage here behind the passenger seat, and as well as some behind the driver's seat right there. You do have an auxiliary power outlet. Oops. And this second row seating does support 3 people, but when someone is not sitting in this third row, you pull on that tab right there, and this center folding armrest does come down, revealing 2 cup holders, and does make for a nice, comfortable armrest for those longer rides. What a great all-around vehicle, folks. It is also equipped with the safety and connectivity of OnStar, as well as having its own 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, which does mean that you can't connect your mobile devices to it whilst in the vehicle. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2016 Terrain SLE 2 all-wheel drive, shown here at ebony twilight metallic. Under the hood, it has the 2.4-liter Dock direct injected inline 4-cylinder engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. If you want to test drive it, we are located at 240 Bond Street East in Oshawa, and we would be very happy to show you that we will do whatever it takes.